All right, last break of the night. Thank you very much, everybody, for sticking around and keeping me company and buying all the breaks. So this is a quad box of Prizm First Off the Line Premium. Random teams, there they are. All teams are in. So Jules will be on tomorrow. Sam and I will be back Wednesday. So come and hang out with Jules tomorrow. I'll probably check in. My folks are flying out tomorrow morning, so I have some time on my hands. Man, Harp, did I tell you? I don't think I did. My parents and I visited Yosemite last weekend, and we got to our hotel. It's like a 4-hour drive from here. We got to our hotel. No power at the hotel. PG&E had turned it off for fire prevention. We didn't know that before we left. Tyree Jackson, Ed Oliver, Devin Singletary, Travis Fulham, Rashawn Gary, and Brett Rippin rookies. So that was rough. Carlos Dunlap is the silver in there for the Bengals. Roquan Smith for the Bears. Green shimmery thingy. That's... Here, I'll show you. That's number 2 of 2, the Roquan Smith. John Boy, your Bears. All night, Hart. They shut it off for the... They shut it off like 2 hours before we got there. Cleveland Farrell rookie auto. Jim Bob Cooter. And a Raquel Armstead red shimmery rookie auto to 25. A York. Your Jaguars. Yeah. Yeah, I know there are challenges in burying the wires and all that stuff, but it seems like there's got to be a way. A way that you can get people power and not cause all the fires. Irv Smith Jr., Damian Harris, Dexter Lawrence, Raquel Armstead, Ursua, Terry McLaurin, base rookies. Silver rookie, Jalen Ferguson. Brad PC. Christian McCaffrey. That's first off the line parallel, I believe. To 15. Big grab. Yeah, there's like tornadoes ripping through and all that, you know, in Oklahoma. Darwin Thompson for the Chiefs. Camo. AJ Sane, your Chiefs. And a Dexter Williams sensational signatures for the Packers. Pizza. The camo is 7 of 25. The Darwin Thompson. Dexter Williams is not numbered. Was he from Canada originally, Chubby Hubby? I did not know that. I did not know that. Deontay Johnson. Jordan Scarlett. Higdon. Another Deontay Thompson. No, it's Deontay Johnson and Deontay Thompson. J.J. Arcega-Whiteside. Ryan Finley. New starting quarterback, Ryan Finley. That's the Kid Reporter card. Chris Harris, silver for the Broncos. Sam Darnold. To 10. Blue shimmer. Miles Gaskin for the Dolphins. AJ Sane. And a Ryan Kerrigan, sensational signatures for Washington. McClippers? 7 of 10 on that one. Oh, really, Harp? We had some tornado warnings and stuff up where I'm from, but Knox, Henderson, Winfrey, McCall Hardman, Dwayne Haskins, Jalen Hurd. Nothing ever too close to us. That was super scary. Foster Morrow, silver rookie. Clayton Thorson, red rookie /15. Jordan Scarlett for the Panthers. Big Rab, your Carolina Panthers. And Raquel Armstead, another Jaguar, another Armstead. York. Yeah. Got an autograph with the glove. It was fine. Man, so how about Golden State just giving up 1,000,000 points a game, Harp? Wow, Giannis's little brother had a big dunk. Or older brother or whatever. Rocky Sin Debo. Kid Reporter. Gio Bernard, silver. Sean Alexander /10. Raquel Armstead. Is that our third Raquel Armstead? /25. These are, they're not in case form, these boxes, so they're not really collated that way. Just some weird luck. York, your third, Raquel Armstead. And a Clayton Thorson, purple checks. Mike, /49. Yeah. Like Kerr said, they've been playing in... What they have been playing in wasn't reality. The teams that they had the last few years. He said the last 5 years we haven't been playing in the real world. Bosa, McLaurin, Gaskin, Sweat, Isabella. Foster Moreau, silver rookie again. Kerryon Johnson, blue /10. Jordan Scarlett. Big Rab. DeAndre Baker, there's a new name. Choo Choo Choo. /149. Yeah, I had enough of the Warriors. They were great. They had their time. Last box of the break. Last box of the night. Last box of the week for me. Jay Campbell, hello. Caleb Wilson, Bryce Love, Adderley, Pollard, Johnson, Riley Ridley. Kid Reporter. Silver Devontae Parker. Tim Brown red /15. Travion Williams. Crazy Joe. And a Trace McSorley sensational signatures. Brad PC. That's /10. 4 of 10. Sixers are tough. I'd like to think my Bucks have a chance, but I don't know. I would also like LeBron to win again, just because I like LeBron. Jonathan Abram, N'Keal Harry, Renfro, Greedy Williams. There's a rookie for you anyway, Harp. Myles Gaskin, silver rookie. Lakers, it's not that crazy. DeCaris McKinley, red /15. Brett Rippin, silver. Oliver's cards, your Broncos. And a DeAndre Baker. Choo, choo, choo. Quick hit recap. Let me get them in some semblance of an order here. Here are the first off the lines. The Blues are /10. Ryan Kerrigan and Trace McSorley. Then we had 2 red Raquel Armsteads /25. Darwin Thompson /25. Clayton Thorson /49 and DeAndre Baker /149. And the silver autos. Rippin, Baker, Williams, Scarlett, Armstead, Gaskin, Dexter Williams, and Cleveland Farrell.